If you're a Samsung enthusiast, here's something that might get your tech-loving heart racing. The One UI 8 beta is now making its way to more devices, including the Galaxy S23 series and several others in select regions. This move keeps Samsung true to the promises it made just last month, ensuring that even older devices aren't left behind when it comes to accessing cutting-edge software. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just about the latest flagships. It's also about bringing innovation to mid-range models too. The rollout of Android 16-powered One UI 8 began earlier for premium devices like the Galaxy S24, Z Fold 6, and Z Flip 6. Now, the beta program is expanding to include phones like the Galaxy S23, Galaxy A36, A35, A55, and A54 for Galaxy S23 users in India. The update is already available, and it comes with a hefty 3.1 GB download size. This version includes the September 2025 security patch and has the build number S91XB-XXU8-ZYHB. Meanwhile, other devices like the Galaxy A36 and A55 are seeing smaller file sizes, around 2.1 GB and 1.9 GB respectively, and are accessible in key markets such as the US, UK, South Korea, and India. But this isn't just about downloading an update. It's about being part of Samsung's ongoing effort to refine its software experience. To join the beta program, you'll need to use the Samsung Members app. Simply register your eligible device, and once approved, the update will show up under the Software Update section of your phone. Samsung has hinted at further expansions this month, potentially bringing the beta to devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5, but details remain scarce for now. This year, Samsung kicked off the One UI 8 beta testing phase with the Galaxy S25 series, and by July, a stable version was released alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. What makes this update so exciting? It brings Android 16, a host of new features, and a refreshed design language. Highlights include an enhanced quick share interface and deeper AI integration, which could redefine how users interact with their devices. These advancements aim to make life easier and more efficient, but they're still in the beta stage. And this is the part most people miss. Beta software often comes with compatibility issues, performance hiccups, and bugs. So while jumping into the beta might sound tempting, it's worth considering whether you want to risk potential glitches on your primary device. Now, let's talk about what sparks debate among users. Is it worth enrolling in a beta program if you're not deeply invested in troubleshooting tech issues? Or does the thrill of previewing upcoming features outweigh the risks? Some argue that beta testers play a crucial role in shaping the final product, while others believe manufacturers should iron out all kinks before releasing updates. Where do you stand on this? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from both sides. On another note, Phone Arena has some exciting news for tech history buffs. Coming this fall is Iconic Phones, Revolution at Your Fingertips, a coffee table book that chronicles the greatest moments of the mobile revolution. Whether you're nostalgic for the days of Nokia or fascinated by the rise of modern flagships, this book promises to take you on a captivating journey through time. Want to be among the first to grab a copy? Follow the link to learn more and sign up for early bird discounts. Behind the scenes of this article is Ilya, a seasoned tech journalist at Phone Arena who has been covering the mobile industry since 2011. With experience at outlets like Forbes Bulgaria, Ilya combines his deep industry knowledge with a personal passion for gadgets that started with his very first Nokia and Sony Ericsson phones. Originally from Bulgaria and now based in Lima, Peru, he balances his tech obsession with walks with his dog, gym sessions, and learning Spanish one word at a time.